How's it going, pal? Paul and I at Glasgow Airport about to go on a long haul adventure. We're both dressed for comfort today. We're away to China via Dubai, Hong Kong. And we've ended up here in Shenzhen, the manufacturing capital of the world, where our manufacturing partners are based. Paul, we're here planning for growth, planning for success. But first things first,
run those titles!
We are at F518, the creative incubator that is twinned with Edinburgh City Council. And over the next couple of weeks, we are looking to accomplish three things. Number one, we're going to Brexit-proof the business, avoid all that tariff uncertainty. Number two is we're going to increase our manufacturing capacity, move all that laser engraving we've been doing in the back cave back here to China. And lastly, and possibly most critically, we're looking to put in place DDP shipping, deliveries with duties paid, so that we can ship from Shenzhen through Hong Kong to any global customer in the world. It's going to be an awesome couple of weeks. We're going to be hot, we're going to be sweaty, but we're going to make things happen. We had a really exciting meeting with our manufacturing partner. All that stuff that we were hoping to move from the UK back to our partner in Shenzhen has now been agreed upon. So the packaging that was coming from Germany, the product inserts and the manuals that were coming from France, they're all going to be made here in Shenzhen, which is going to significantly reduce the carbon footprint of our products. In addition, we've also been able to significantly increase our manufacturing capacity. We've gone from around 200 to 300 co-branded laser engraved power banks in the back cave, all the way up to 3,000 units per day. And as you'll see in the footage about to come up, every single product that comes off the line is fully tested, fully charged, fully discharged to ensure complete product safety and excellent product quality. 10 times our manufacturing capacity, Paul, all thanks to working with phenomenal partners here in Shenzhen.
That's 10 times more kids being empowered.
10 times more kids. Planning for growth, planning for rapid scale. Here we are in Hong Kong, accomplishing one of the key objectives of our company's growth plan, which is international logistics with DDP shipping, deliveries duty paid. And thanks to our man Adrian that we met at the OG UK conference in Aberdeen and his company Royale International, we can offer this on all of our orders out of any customer in the world with air freight shipping.
Big up, Adrian.
Thank you, Adrian. Now time to go and enjoy the sights and sounds of Hong Kong.
There it is. See it.
And there we have it, successful trip to Shenzhen, back at Hong Kong airport. Security seems a bit tighter than usual, understandable. Really successful trip, accomplished all the objectives. Paul's staying on to wrap things up, but I'm heading home. Really appreciate you guys watching. Thanks very much for the comments, the likes and the views, and we'll see you next time.